The Supreme Court has indefinitely extended its block on Senate Bill 4, the Texas law that would allow police to arrest undocumented migrants. KTSM 9 News reporter Oriana Botaro has been following the story closely. Oriana, what can you tell us?
Monica, all eyes at the national level are once again in Texas, as this controversial law will not take effect today since Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito extended the block on SB4. And with all the back and forth on this law, migrant communities like the one here in El Paso continue to live on the edge, not knowing what their future looks like. As we've been reporting, SB4 gives law enforcement the right to arrest and detain people they suspect of being in the country illegally. SB4 has set off debates not only between lawmakers, but also between civil rights organizations, while supporters of Senate Bill 4 like Adolfo Tellez from the Republican committee chair says this law would benefit the community in terms of increasing security. A migrant I spoke to tells me this law is not what they believe is the American dream.
I went through a lot to get here. I was even kidnapped for 15 days. I came here to seek refuge, and now I'm being treated like a criminal. Going back to Venezuela is not an option for me.
SB4 would make illegally crossing the border a Class B misdemeanor, carrying a punishment of up to 6 months in jail, and repeat offenders could face 2 to 20 years in prison. Civil rights organizations like Border Network for Human Rights issuing a statement just a few minutes ago saying, quote, "We continue to denounce SB4 as what it is, a clear usurpation of federal authority to enforce immigration laws and drive the state of Texas into human and civil rights disaster." Adding, if this law were to be allowed to take effect, hundreds of Texas border residents, Texans of color, immigrants, and asylum seekers would be subjected to racial profiling, stripped of their constitutional rights, and mass criminalized. There is currently no timeline for when the court will ultimately rule, and we'll be hearing from Commissioner David Stout and Adolfo Tellez later tonight on the impact SB4 could have on border communities and law enforcement. Reporting from the newsroom, Oriana Botaro, KTSM 9 News. Monica, back to you.
Thank you, Oriana.